The first rule of being a good boss is waking up at the crack of dawn. The second rule, making sure everybody is on time. It's key to have the right crew for the job and all the right gear. Safety must always be a top concern. The crew works really hard every day, but it's all business when the boss arrives. And it's the boss's job to keep everybody motivated. The boss needs to make sure everything runs smoothly. At Pro-Torch Roofing, we've been putting roofs over people's heads for 25 years. Excellent communication with their clients and making sure the job gets done on time. Every good boss knows that a good roof isn't just about keeping the rain out. It's about making sure squirrels can't get in, the sky doesn't fall into the living room, and Santa has a suitable place to land. I'll tell you one thing, it's definitely not easy being a boss. It's a thankless job, but at the end of the day, it's all about teamwork. They say great leadership starts at the top, and I couldn't think of a better boss for the best roofing company in the whole wide world. Pro-Torch Roofing, we've got you covered.